Hello everyone, myself the educator. This year I have given my first Ib-Acio paper and I have cleared the tier 1 paper. This is my roll number and I have secured 77 marks in the tier 1 paper. I have attempted 93 questions in the exam and I have scored 77 marks as per the answer key available. Now, since the first tier is completed and the results are out, almost 37,000 students have been selected for tier 2 exam. There is around 3,717 posts, so approx 10 times they have selected for tier 2. And from tier 2 they will select 1 by 3rd, that is approx 10,000 people will be selected for interview. So now let's start. What about now? The second phase is tier 2 exam. In the tier 2 exam, the syllabus is like this. They will ask an essay which will be of 30 marks, and comprehension which will be of 10 marks, and a precise which will be of 10 marks. So it will be of 1 hour paper. You have to complete all these 3 questions: essay, comprehension, precise, within 1 hour. As per the schedule, maybe the exam will be held in January 2026. It may be in first week or second week, but it will help in January for sure. So now we can see that almost 30 to 40 days are left for exam. So time is less and we need to work hard to clear this exam, because if you clear this exam you will get a chance to appear in the interview, and if you get a decent marks in the interview you will clear this exam and get a decent job. Now the question is, how much score should we try to achieve in that tier 2 paper? See, if I think around 40 to 45 marks are achievable if you have a great quality, then 40 to 45 marks are achievable. And somehow if some students are close to the cutoff, which we don't know what is the cutoff, but suppose that you are something close to 55 54, then you need to score around 40 marks, because if you are not getting 40 marks then it will be very difficult to get in the final list. So now what need to be done? Let's discuss this, what needs to be done. So they are asking a essay. See, they will ask 5 essay in this paper, and you need to choose one. So from my point of view, write an essay daily from the PYQ itself, or maybe from UPSC paper or something else, and write an essay daily which is of 400 words. The second most important thing is time distribution, time management. I have seen many videos on the YouTube. No one discuss about this, what time distribution, time management, but it is one of the most important factor that will make you to qualify in this exam, and that will also make you to get disqualified from this exam. So as per what I feel, it is of 1 hour paper. They are asking essay, comprehension, precise. So I think 30 minutes should be for essay, 15 minutes for comprehension, and 15 minutes for precise. Within 30 minutes you have 10 minutes for the brainstorming part and 20 minutes for writing. See, time distribution is very important. If you complete your paper, you will surely get 30 marks. Minimum 30 marks you will surely get. And if somehow you have a good quality, you will easily cross 40. But suppose you didn't complete, precise, then 10 marks are loses. You lose 10 marks. So from within 40 marks you have to calculate more than 35, which is almost impossible. So the best way to score easily and great marks is to complete paper within time. And to complete paper you have to distribute this paper into such time zone where it could be 30, it could be 25, whatever as per your convenience, and in this respect you have to complete your paper. Now the second part is comprehension. They ask from diverse topic. Like last year they have asked health, maybe last year they have asked internal security, maybe shared internal security. So you need to write. You can use some data in the answer, you can use some other things in the answer, like what you use in your essay, some quotation, some data, some essay, some story. So do practice the comprehension, and at last do some practice of precis, because the issue with precis is you may achieve the target of writing this word in 100 words something, but the essence of the precis get lost, and that's why you score less than 5, 4, 3, 2, because the essence is not there. So you need to practice the precis, maybe not as what essay demands, but maybe in a week 2 to 3. And the best way to practice is to, one is CAPF paper and one is IbAcio paper. There you will get the precis, and from that you can write all this. So now what else, what we can do? See, the first type was of 100 people. Suppose you score 60 marks, and second in tier 2 you score 40 marks. Then the last interview part will be of 100 marks. If you score 60 marks, then 160 around the total aggregate marks will be happen, and 160 to 170 is maximum that you can score to clear this exam. 175, almost 70, 65 to 70% they ask for the final clears. So you need to be at your best in tier 2 and tier 3, because tier 1 has been completed. If you are scoring well above the cutoff, you are in a very good safe zone, but you have to score good marks in tier 2 and 3 to remain in the safe zone. So first of all, do what I have said. This is my roll number. I have cleared the tier 1 exam. I am also preparing for tier 2. I usually prepare, I am preparing for UPSC. So essay part I have done easily. If you ask, I will provide daily essay questions. You can write an essay and set on this Telegram channel. I will check, I will verify what need to be done, what are the issues with your essay. So if you can, I will provide a Telegram link in the description box or comment box. You can check from that. So this was from my side. Thank you so much. Thank you. Jai Hind.